How to check Frontier Airlines carry-on size and weight limits. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. This is from the official website of Frontier Airlines. As it's written for carry-on size, you will find the cheapest time to buy is at initial booking, and you'll find size information. And for other information of carry-on size, you'll find for price, see bag price checkout below, which is non-refundable, and maximum size, which includes handles, wheels, and straps as well. Then maximum weight is 35 lbs, and the size of your carry-on bag will be checked during boarding. Items larger than the allowed dimensions are subject to an additional charge, and you'll find different additional charge according to the weight. And this is how to check Frontier Airlines carry-on size and weight limits. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.